Hello, my name is Brendan Brinkman, and this is my second milestone demonstration for Georgia Tech's Fall 2017 Educational Technology course. In my previous milestone demonstration, I showcased the state of my game-based learning application. My application had basic functionality and allowed the user to select one of four core subjects to solve equations in. The first milestone presentation was only a very low-level, fundamental prototype of the application. Each time the user selected a new subject, the application would only show the same four basic equations over and over. The core categories of multiplication, addition, and subtraction show the previous state of the hard-coded equations. The division category, however, now shows an entirely new, randomly generated equation each time the user selects the category. I achieved this by first using a random number generator to select the length for the dividend and the answer choices. This number ranged anywhere from 1 to 3. Once the length of the number's digits were generated, I then used another random number generator the second time around to plug back in the number of digits that was computed with the first function. This results in the app displaying a brand new, randomly generated equation each time the user picks a category. I implemented this feature to prevent the user from memorizing previous equations and answers. In other words, the app forces the user to compute and solve each equation as if they were taking a test. Once the user selects an answer, whether correct or incorrect, the application will provide immediate feedback as to whether or not they picked the right answer. This feedback is shown through colors and a text box at the bottom of the screen. The selected answer retains its colors where all other answer choices are turned to gray. This lets the user see which answer they selected. The feedback box at the bottom of the screen will display one of two colors. Red indicates that an incorrect answer was chosen, while green indicates that they chose a correct answer. Moving forward, I plan on implementing the randomly generated equations and answer choices across all of the other core subjects in the application. The functionality will be similar to the one found in the division category. I am also planning on implementing a tracking system that will keep track of how many questions the user has answered correctly versus how many questions they answered incorrectly. I will go about implementing this tracking system by giving the user 2 points for each question that they solve correctly. I will also deduct 1 point from their total score for each equation that they solve incorrectly. At the end of a session, the app will display the user's total points along with the option of going back and solving all previous incorrect equations for half of a point.